Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno dictations on regular basis. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready? Start. From the perusal of the case diary, this court finds that the conversation between co-accused Khushbu Gehlot and petitioner regarding her accepting the gratification on her own behalf as well as on behalf of the petitioner has been recorded. Full stop. The said telephonic evidence prima facie indicates the complicitness of the petitioner in commission of the alleged crime, which is something more than a mere needle of suspicion against the petitioner. Full stop. True, it is that requirement of prior approval under section 17A of the PC Act, 2018 is aimed to protect public officials from malicious, vexatious, and baseless complaints that might be filed in relation to any recommendation made or decision taken by the public officials in discharge of official functions or duties. Full stop. The expression recommendation and decision used under the said section refers to reasoned, objective, and non-arbitrary exercise of discretion while performing official duties in quasi-judicial or pure administrative capacity, but at the same breath, it cannot be made a tool or used as an unbridled shelter to protect corrupt government officials who have made any recommendation or had taken a particular decision for their personal benefit. Full stop. In the opinion of this court, in a case where accusation regarding corruption has to be judged or inferred on the basis of quasi-judicial oblique administrative decisions oblique recommendations made by the public officials in official files in discharge of official functions or duties, then the previous oblique prior approval of the competent authority is mandatory before prosecuting him oblique her as per the mandate of section 17A of PC Act 2018. Full stop. This court is of the firm view that in cases where prima facie electronic evidence in form of voice recording, oblique video recording, etc. are available against accused and solely his oblique her quasi-judicial oblique administrative decisions recommendations are not to be assessed or evaluated to find out correctness or truthfulness of the accusation, then it would be a travesty of justice if the prosecution against him is not allowed to be initiated oblique continued. Full stop. From the material placed on record, it is apparent that complainant Brijesh Mina in the complaint submitted to the officials of the ACB in unambiguous terms has levelled allegations that co-accused Khushbu Gehlot has demanded gratification on her own behalf and also on behalf of petitioner full stop, thereupon, comma, when the trap was conducted, Khushbu Gehlot was arrested on support and her conversation with petitioner regarding her acceptance of bribe on behalf of both the accused persons was recorded, full stop. Thus, comma, the allegations leveled against the petitioner are very serious and not merely to be assessed from the quasi judicial order oblique recommendation, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन लाइक दिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।